It's always great when a well-done street rod rolls into our showroom. Unlike muscle cars and sports cars, which can be somewhat homogeneous, custom cars are created around the cornerstones of a true enthusiast psyche: go fast and look good. And when you build a classic around those two principles, you either go big or go home. With a 360 cubic inch Chrysler V8, big comfort and great looks, this 37 Plymouth pretty much lives that motto. And if you're the kind of buyer who's ready to cruise the scene and turn heads, it's the fully sorted classic you've been patiently waiting for. Here is an excellent chance to turn someone else's hard work into your benefit. This sweet Plymouth is a choice custom that combines great craftsmanship with great performance. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.